don't want to give up on people. And I got a whole workshop around the power of saying yes, because my mentality around saying yes has afforded me so many opportunities, even if it didn't pay.
Yeah.
It ended up setting me up for a bag later.
Yeah.
Because I showed up for free,
Yeah.
showed up, showed out, and opportunity came because of it. When you are in the process of mentoring someone or trying to give advice, I think you need to impress upon them the power of saying yes, because I think that opens up the mindset around their possibilities that no one really gave to them before. No one presented it to me before.